Practice makes perfect, and it takes a lot of time to make something seem so easy. When I began my career as a graphic facilitator in 1996 with Ernst Young, I began traveling the world, helping companies large and small unlock their ideas. I soon became an innovation strategist, partnering with executives and leaders, helping them to unlock their big ideas that then help to transform cultures. I love working with individuals and teams to help you unlock your own creative superpowers for brainstorming, problem solving, and strategic planning. Today, I want to teach you how to start using visual thinking to unlock your own strategies. And I know what you're going to say because I've heard it from thousands. I'm terrible at drawing. I've got you today. We are just going to do some of my 6 very easy icons that you can start to use yourself for unlocking your own ideas inside of your conversations with your organization. We're going to start with 6 simple icons. We're going to draw 3 rectangles. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to draw 3 circles. Our first rectangle, we are going to turn into an envelope using a triangle. The next one, we're going to turn into a package by adding a small rectangle inside, adding some tick marks on the corners, bringing it down, and turning it into a package. Our third one, we're going to add a square on the end, another little rectangle, a couple of squares, and half circles. And now we have a delivery truck. Then we're going to add an L and some arrows and turn this one into a clock. Then we'll add a straight line through the middle of our circle and a straight line across. Add 2 curves on right and left, and then 2 curves on the top and the bottom. And then our last one will turn into a pie chart. Now we can add the meaning to our icons. So let's say, for example, you're a company that ships products. You want to make sure that you receive all of your invoices for the products that need to be delivered on time around the world to increase your market share. Look at what we were able to explain in just 3 simple rectangles and circles. Imagine what it would be like to have your own visual vocabulary inside your organization that everyone understood, so that all of your whiteboards, all of your brainstorming, all of your strategic plans had a common visual language. And that's what we do inside the Center for Visual Facilitation.